They are coming. They are coming. They are coming. They are coming. Stay inside. They are coming. They are coming. They are coming. They are coming. Stay inside. They are still coming. Ahaha, you said coming. Bevis, we're on live television. Shut up, they just heard my name. Dumbus, they know your name, not mine.
Say something, dillhole. We're on live television.
Head already? You don't have to tell me that. I know we're on live television. Just a little. I am the great cornholio. I need tippy for my bunghole.
That was cool.
This is a message from Hopkins County Emergency Management. The emergency alerts released earlier today were hoaxes and should be disregarded. We are investigating the situation. There is no contact of threat at the moment. Please stay tuned to local news for more information on the situation.